Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some easy butterflies, which are basically made out of oranges and grapes. If your family members or children are like my husband and don't really enjoy eating fruit, maybe in this way they will finally give in and eat some more fruit and more vitamins, but who knows. So without any further ado, let's start. We start by making the bodies of our butterflies. To do so, we take one toothpick and impale a couple of grapes on it. This is going to be the central part of the body of the butterfly. We want to place 3. Our grapes are quite big, so maybe we only place 2, but for now we managed to place 3, and we transfer these to the side. I'm thinking about making 3 to 4 butterflies. We proceed with the wings of the butterfly. To do so, we take an orange, it's washed, we cut it in the middle, we make a slice, and now we try to make the shape of a wing. Remove the white. This should be enough. Make another one. There you have it. So here we have our bodies. We place them somehow on our plate. And now we place the wings. So we take our oranges and place them like this to give the impression of having wings. So these are our butterflies, but they're missing something. They don't have any antennae. So we have to fix that. And to do so, we place this a bit to the side. With 1 slice of orange, and we're going to make them with orange peel. So we cut teeny tiny slices. How many butterflies do we have? So we need 8. Or yes, 8 antennae. We have 4, 5. There we go. So we try to remove them gently. So let's try to separate the garbage from the antennae. Let's go back to our butterflies. Now we place the antennae. So, oh, there's a cat here. Yeah, the trouble of having cats. So, I know, they are quite fat. Well, this is our finished product, our amazing butterflies with small wings and fat bodies. They are really easy and probably much tastier than what they look like, and probably tastier than their real insect relatives. And I think this is it for this video. As always, it's a very simple recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe. And if you make this recipe, or if you make any kind of butterflies using any type of ingredients or food items, I would love to see your creations, and I would love you to send them to me and to share with you what you're making. And for now, I guess I see you again in the next one. Bye!